Hello, my friends. This is Paul Drockton, and this, my friends, is a product assay on Rain's product. They're what they call their cornerstone product, Rain Soul. And you are going to be appalled and shocked, and believe me, everybody and their brother is going to want to investigate what these guys are doing because I don't know. You can't get any more fraudulent or criminal than what they're doing with this product. I mean, look at this. All right, I want you to see this. First of all, this assay was done by Summit Nutritional Laboratories. Google them. These people, they're extremely reputable in this industry. So good luck, Rain, discrediting these guys. And look at this. It's got the report number in case you want to look it up. Right, the date. There's the product, Soul, right? When the product was received, right? There's a Rego Life. We got the assay done. Now look at this. This is where this gets just criminal, and I don't know what else to tell you. They brag about the ingredients in their product. This is resveratrol. Resveratrol is it's not even one of their major ingredients. This is a minor ingredient. You'd think they'd spend a little bit more money, but we're talking 0.13 milligrams per gram of product of resveratrol, which, by the way, as I said, was one of their least important ingredients. Not something they brag about. They talk about how the product is rich in black cumin seed, right? Rich in Chardonnay grape and black raspberry. Well, if it's there, it's not showing up on the chemical test here. Thymoquinone is the active ingredient in black cumin seed, and they couldn't even find a trace. That's like less than 0.041 hundredths of a milligram per gram. I could probably find more thymoquinone smelling a black cumin seed than what's in this product. And then look at the fats that they brag about as well. They talk about how, rich in omega-3s and omega-6s and omega-9s, right? Well, there's your total fat, right? That's 1.26 grams per 100 grams. You can get more total fat from a piece of an avocado. There's your unsaturated fat. There's your breakdown. There's your omega-9s, right? That's 0.18 hundredths of a gram per 100 grams of product. Look at the omega-3s. This is a joke. You can get more omega-3s from a fish scale. That's 9/100ths of a gram per 100 grams. Look at this, omega-6s, right? That's 0.4 grams for 100 grams of omega-6s. So what's in this stuff? I'm telling you right now, you might as well go buy a vegetable from your local store and save yourself $74. Because look at what you're getting here. You're getting nothing. That's the definition of a scam, my friends. The scam is when someone tells you, I'm going to give you this thing that has all this value, and they turn around and they sell you this. There's more nutritional value in a grape than there is in this stuff. So you might as well go out, buy yourself a bunch of grapes, make sure there's 30 of them, and take a grape a day, and you're going to receive more nutritional benefits from a grape than you will from one packet of Rain International Soul, in my opinion. Now, I'll tell you what, I'm going to do an article on this. I want to do some comparisons. You need to see just how badly you're being cheated by this company, just how badly you're being ripped off. You sit back and you wait for that box of Soul to come, right? And you drink it and you say, oh, I know I feel something here. I know it. You're talking yourself into something that isn't there. It's called the placebo effect. There's no value here. This test shows it. It proves it. This is a third-party assay. This is industry standards. I'm telling you right now, when the federal government gets a hold of this assay, which they're going to, because I'll make sure of it, there's going to be criminal prosecutions here. These guys are going to be in court for a very, very long time, and this company is not going to survive. Now look at this. Signed by the laboratory manager right here, right? And at the end of the day, he says, laboratory accepts no responsibility or liability except for the due performance of inspection and analysis in good faith. So he signs it and says, look, man, this isn't my problem, but I'm just telling you right now, this is what's in it. Third party, no agenda, test it, and look what we've got right now. What we have right now is we have criminal fraud. That's what this is. This is criminal. And so when you look at the criminal fraud involved here, do you want to be complicit in this fraud? Do you want to sit down with these sick people and tell them how much this product is going to help them? Do you want to do that? I don't. That's why I left. Because these people are criminal fraudsters. This is a crime. This is like someone saying to you, yeah, buy this gold coin from me. And you know what? It turns out to be 99% lead. It's the same thing. There's no difference. This is like someone bottling water and putting a vitamin in it and selling it for $75. There's no difference. Gosh, I wish these people would at least put a vitamin in there. Long story short, if you are a Rain distributor and you continue to represent this company, then you're complicit in their fraud. Don't talk to me about anything else. If you don't have the science behind you, you have nothing. This is science, my friends. This is the facts. And the bottom line is, all you have is emotion. Don't waste my time. Please don't. Because in the end, this is what's going to stand up in court. In the end, this is what's going to bring the federal government down on this company. In the end, this is what's going to bring the FTC into this. This is what's going to bring the Utah state prosecutors. This is going to trigger, this is going to get ugly. Not for me, for them. See, this is why you always do the right thing. Because at the end of the day, if you're making money off of a fraud, then you're a fraudster, period. As soon as I realized the fraud, I left. And I can prove it by the date on this assay. I told them to stick it, and I walked out. Now, at the end of the day, they've had plenty of time to correct this. They know about this. They've had plenty of time to correct it. I put them on blast, and they haven't. So what does that tell you? It tells you that these people aren't worth a warm bucket of spit. They're not worth your time, your effort, your aggravation, and you need to protect yourself right now from their fraud. So call Rain, cancel your auto ship, tell them I'm done with this product. I'm just done with you guys. If you're a distributor, do the same thing. Call your customers and say, look, we're done. Now look, I'm not going to leave you in the dark. I created an alternative product where the ingredients are clearly listed on the label. And unlike Rain, I actually tell you how much is in the product. And believe me when I tell you, it blows this out of the water. It doesn't even come close. This is Paul Drockton. God bless. Have a great day. And stay tuned because I'm just getting warmed up.